Thanks for logging on to myfoxhurricane.com. So we still have a little ways to go in the season. Remember, the season goes until November 30th as far as the hurricane season. But look at the names that we have used so far this year. We're really running out of names. Next one on the list is Tammy. And there is the possibility that we have Tammy sometime later on this week. At least we have one contender for that. This is Invest 94. Now, you look at this right now, it doesn't look like much at all. About a 30% chance of some development over the next couple of days, and it's going to take longer than the next 2 days, or at least by the looks of this right now, putting about a 70% chance of development over the next 7 days. So that's the area that you're looking at right in the middle of your screen. Obviously fairly disorganized, but we are seeing some convection. We're seeing a broad area of low pressure in this area. So conditions, they're conducive that we're going to see the possibility of more development over the next several days. So as you look at the various computer models, you see what's happening. It just continues to track on that westerly and eventually maybe a little bit more of a northwesterly track. So it's moving through an area that will remain conducive for more development over the next several days. Now, you notice the clustering of these models, pushing it on towards the west and eventually starting to move it a little bit more towards the northwest. We're also watching this pretty closely with our Fox model. And again, it shows that fairly disorganized system, but as we head through Wednesday, heading into Thursday, we are seeing more signs of organization, and the Fox model carrying this a bit further to the south. So some of these islands, they're going to have to watch this pretty closely as we head towards the weekend. We could be looking at a tropical depression or a tropical storm potentially working its way towards the islands and towards the Caribbean, but still a long ways off. Exactly where this goes, what kind of development, still a lot of questions to be answered with this, and we'll continue to watch this pretty closely over the next several days and keep you updated right here on myfoxhurricane.com.